I think what's happening is the older generation doesn't know Yiddish, and there's a new generation coming along of people at the Yiddish Book Center and places like that who do know Yiddish. So I think that it's, Bubby Stephanie is going to have an aliyah with her granddaughter Yocheved. That Bubby's name. There's a whole generation, my generation of Americanized Jews who threw away Yiddish, and their grandchildren are now, if not Yiddish, then Hebrew, are coming back to having Jewish names and Jewish culture. And so it's a complete reversal. It's not the old people who carry the culture, it's the young people who are rediscovering. Some are discovering Yiddish. Most of them, of course, are discovering the Hebrew part of Judaism. But I don't think that, with few exceptions, most American Jews really don't care about Yiddish. They look down at it. I met Jews who don't even call it Yiddish, they call it jargon, which is an insult. They say, why are you studying a jargon, Oh, it's a bastard language. I said, no, it's got so many foreign words. So does English. They're called fusion languages. They borrow beautifully. That's what makes them so rich. I don't think there are enough younger people. Too many young people are following their grandparents' footsteps and becoming Americanized and throwing it away and think there's nothing to it. But there are some, in the frum world, of course, it's very prevalent. In the secular world, too. There are many secular people, non-Jews and Jews who are learning Yiddish. That's wonderful. But to learn, when a language is taught in university, Latin is taught in university, it's a dead language. It's when a man and woman make love in Yiddish, when two kids fight in Yiddish, when a mother scolds a child in Yiddish, that's when it's living. And the people who are learning Yiddish in college are not going to be doing that. They're going to academically know how to speak Yiddish. But I don't know, except for the frum Jews, if anybody's really making love in Yiddish, or fighting in Yiddish, or going shopping in Yiddish. That makes the language alive. And that's not happening so fast. It's not dying, but it's having a hard time.